Okay, welcome to Thompson Smith and Walside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer to you this 2013 Porsche 911 991 Carrera S. It's a coupe with a PDK transmission and it's finished in Rhodium Silver metallic. Okay, so walk around the car, you'll see just how nice the condition the car is. It's done 60,000 miles, it's got a full service history, 6 stamps by Porsche, recently serviced, and it's got some remainder of Porsche warranty left. Okay, it sits on these 20-inch Carrera S wheels, which are finished in Satin Platinum, all in great condition, tyres all matching and in superb condition as well. We've got folding door mirrors, okay, so lovely condition, there's no scrapes, scorks or scratches. As we look down the side of the car, you'll just see how nice it is. Again, the near side wheels, superb condition, the red brake calipers there, looking good, and the brake discs all in good condition. Again, the near side front wheel, where you normally get all the damage, all in perfect condition. The car looks like it's done 20,000 miles. So front end of the car, we'll just take you in closely. We've got Xenon lights with headlamp wash there. There's no stone chips or very small markings on the car. Nothing to worry about. It's just in lovely condition. Glass all good. So as we go in the car, fairly standard black leather upholstery. We've got sports seats with a 4-way electrical adjustment. We've got the folding mirrors we just mentioned to you. Again, the door cards, door shuts, all in lovely condition. The car's been very well cared for. We've got Porsche mats down there. We've got the 3-spoke sport design steering wheel, PCM with navigation telephone modules. We've got the PASM sport settings and the electronic damper control there. Alcantara headlining. If you look at the seat, so this is the driver's seat, which is normally the one which carries all the wear. It's got the slightest patina. It's just in lovely condition. Not been smoked in. Leather stitched dashboard there. As we go in the back, again the rear seats and carpets all in super condition. Under the bonnet's the same. If you have a look on the website, you'll see all the iVest photos and everything. There's the mileage 60751. That's a PDK transmission. So if you are interested, please give us a call on either of our numbers, which are 01507 602222 or 01507 606 725. Thanks for looking.